celebrating Chinese New Year. Hi, my name is Norman. Welcome to Norm Lab. This is a place for me to share tips and tricks about technology. Before we start our tutorial for today, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. To those who have done it, thank you very much for your support, guys. Alright. Today, we'll be just doing a short video regarding this Chinese New Year celebration. As you guys know that we have been able to, those who are celebrating Chinese New Year are be able to travel within the 10-kilometer radius from our place of residence. So, what I want to share with you guys is before we celebrate the Chinese New Year or before you go for your reunion dinner and so on, alright, so you guys just need to go to this website. I'll show you guys the website. Okay, you just need to go to Google. You don't need to download any application for your phone and so on. Alright, so just type on Google is you can just write 10-kilometer radius. I'll just put in 10-kilometer radius. Alright. Alright, so once you turn up 10-kilometer radius, okay, this is, you can use it for either your Android or iOS devices. Look at the top one, is called 2 km from home. Okay, so the first time when you click 2 km from home, you'll be given the option is, the first thing is they will ask you to allow to use your current location. What it does is it's actually taking the GPS location and to determine the estimated area of where you are residing in. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on the button allow. If you accidentally click don't allow, it's alright, don't worry, you can still move the location around later. Alright, so you just need to click on allow. So once you click on allow, just ensure this is the example on the map that is the estimated location of my area of where I'm residing is now. Okay, or from where I'm filming it. Okay, so you can look at it, just look at the top of the website. So make sure that you are within the 10-kilometer radius. Okay, so you can click actually on the 2 km, 5 km, 10 km, or you can even put in your own custom kilometer radius. Alright, so once you determine already, this is the exact location, this is the estimated location. Let's say if you got the location, if you got the location wrong, you can just click on the blue pin. Alright, you click on the blue pin and you can just move the pin around. So example, I'll just move the pin around and you can see the circle starts moving. So it gives you an estimated, we call it distance of a 10-kilometer radius from your location itself. Alright, so once you have done it, from my opinion, you can just zoom in and zoom out. Sorry. You can just zoom in and zoom out to determine where is the location itself. So what you need to do is, I would prefer is you guys click on the button of print. So when you click on the button of print, it gives you just the map itself and the estimated distance of the 10-kilometer radius. Okay, so what you need to do is, I would prefer is just to do a screenshot. So at least you can keep it for safekeeping, just in case you never know that maybe you get stopped by the authorities. At least you can show them on your phone, or can just show them a picture that you are still within the 10-kilometer radius from your place of residing. Not from where you are, the place of where you are residing is. So you just need to do, what I'll do is I'll just click a screenshot itself. That's it. Easy, right? Alright guys, so that's the short video tutorial for today. To all of those who are celebrating Chinese New Year, Kong Hei Fa Choi, and let's hope that this 2021 will bring us not just prosperity but also a better, I would say a better year compared to 2020. And all the best health to everybody. Stay safe and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks guys.